Welcome to Hosteasy. In this quick video, we'll show you how to enable your free SSL certificate in DirectAdmin. Log in to your DirectAdmin control panel. Go to the menu and select SSL Certificate under Account Manager. On the next page, select Get Automatic Certificate from ACME Provider from the available options. From the list of available options, select the Let's Encrypt certificate. Then check the entries where you want the SSL to be installed. Check the Force SSL with HTTPS redirect option. Then click Save to apply the changes. Click Save to apply the settings. The SSL certificate will be installed automatically, and your website will be forced to load over a secure HTTPS connection.